In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in your Lexus Keyfob. Most key fobs have a physical key in case the battery dies or for valet parking. Pull this to eject the physical key. Now fit the end of the key into this slot right here. Then twist to open. Easy. Let's quickly take this little board out and check out the battery. As you can see, we have a CR1632 battery. This one is from Panasonic, but any other brand will work fine. Always use plastic pry tools when working with boards to avoid a short. Fit it into the slot here and pull the battery out gently. Now here's our replacement battery, which cost me only about $1 by the way. Same CR1632, as that's what you will need. Slide it into that small metal plate and just push down gently. Easy. Now line up the buttons on the key fob with the one on the board, set it down and snap the cover back into place. And finally put the physical key back where it belongs. We are going to test it out to see how well it works. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. If you loved it and want to see more content from me, please subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.